Your feelings, thoughts, and mood are the gatekeepers to your goals. They are guardians of the gate to your dreams, to what you want to achieve. Your feelings, thoughts, and mood are powerful forces within you, but beyond your control. But there is a way to influence them, to help you win, and that is through speaking to them, through affirmations. Welcome to this video of affirmation exercises inspired by Brian Tracy's Psychology of Success Phoenix Lectures. I will teach you how to use 4 of his main affirmations to unleash the power of your subconscious mind. You can do this anytime and anywhere, but for best results, do them at the start of your day. Before we get to the affirmations, there are 3 guidelines for maximum benefit. The first guideline is verbalize the words, speak them out. Don't just say them in your mind. Engaging your speaking and hearing abilities manifest into being what you are affirming or your intentions. So, say them out loud. Second, emotionalize the words. Say the affirmations with positive feelings, such as feelings of excitement and love. This energizes your intentions. Thirdly, where appropriate, find a mirror. Look at your reflection as you say these affirmations, because this makes the affirmations more real and grounded, since it engages your hearing, your speaking, your emotional and seeing faculties. So remember these 3. Say it loud, say it out loud. Emotionalize, feel the words, and see yourself as you say them. Combine all of this, and this makes it real. It puts it into the real world and makes it more successful, or it gives it a more successful chance to come true. Let's begin. It's very easy to set goals, to list down what you want to achieve. It's easy to begin, to start small and get the ball rolling. But what's difficult is how to keep going. Because the first obstacle you face, if you have an ego, which everybody does, is self-doubt, self-criticism, and self-sabotage. Therefore, the first and most important affirmation to fix this, to improve this, is, I like myself. The mind can only focus on one thought at a time. And if that thought is a positive statement about yourself, it pushes away self-doubt and self-criticism, making you feel more confident, more valued, and less vulnerable. So, repeat after me. I like myself. Very simple, very easy to say. I like myself. I like myself. Now say it with a smile. I like myself. Say it convincingly. I like myself. I like myself. Say it reassuringly and relaxed. I like myself. I like myself. The second affirmation is more of a manifestation statement to call forth life's best to you. And this affirmation is, I believe something exciting is going to happen to me today. Now repeat after me. I believe something exciting is going to happen to me today. Feel the internal jolt of excitement when you say the affirmation. I believe something exciting is going to happen to me today. Say it convincingly. I believe something exciting is going to happen to me today. Say it relaxed and reassuringly. I believe something exciting is going to happen to me today. Say it with a smile. I believe something exciting is going to happen to me today. The third affirmation is the third affirmation is a question that keeps us focused on our goals and priorities. When you feel lost, when you feel you have a lack of direction, this is the best question to ask yourself as an affirmation. What is the best use of my time right now? You can also switch best for what is the most valuable use of my time right now. You can also substitute time for life. What is the best use of my life right now? Make sure you emphasize the word now. This prompts urgency and presence. It keeps you in the moment. It focuses you on the opportunities in front of you. What is the best use of your time right now? Say it with a smile. What is the best use of my time right now? Say it convincingly. What is the most valuable use of my time right now? Say it relaxed and reassuringly. What is the use, or what is the best use of my time right now? What is the best use of my time right now? Right now. What is the best use of my time right now? The fourth and final affirmation, which is best said at the start of each day, especially when you're feeling low, when the momentum is slow. And that affirmation is, do it now. Do it now. Do it now. Say it with a smile. Do it now. Say it convincingly. Do it now. Just do it now. Say it relaxed and reassuringly. Do it now. Do it now. Do it now. I recommend you listen to this and watch it again and again, especially during your downtime. Switch it on and use it as white noise in the background, continuously sending messages, sending instructions to your subconscious for it to listen to you and to help you win. You will instantly feel better and more confident about yourself. You will start feeling more alive and excited about your day. Everything is possible now. You feel that. It's within your grasp. So harness this power. Listen and affirm. I hope this has been helpful. Please like and subscribe if you've liked the vibe. And I'll see you in the next video. Vale.